Welcome to MAT 105, the history of graphic design. I'm Greg Kelly, and I'll be your host for this class, which surveys the origin and evolution of graphic design from the 19th century to the present day. Here we are on the home page of Canvas, and I've got a little introduction about what graphic design is. The purpose of graphic design is to communicate messages through the juxtaposition of words and images. And it's important to understand exactly what graphic design is. Graphic design is different from art. Graphic design, again, is the combination of words and images in order to convey a message. So be sure to have a look at this introduction so that you get a clear understanding of what graphic design is all about. Let's have a look at the layout of our class in Canvas. These are the various menu items. Let's have a look first at the syllabus. There's our course syllabus, and there is my information. There's my email address. You can contact me anytime via email. You may want to have a look at the Media Arts and Technologies website for more information about the courses, degrees, and facilities that we offer here in the MAT department. Have a look at my faculty website here at MiraCosta College. I provide information about the classes I teach as well as additional information on graphic design and web development. And this is a 3-unit, 16-week online course which surveys the origin and evolution of graphic design from the 19th century to the present day. Some of the objectives for this class are to define graphic design terms and ideas. We'll learn to identify, compare, and contrast significant historical movements in graphic design, as well as a number of other objectives. The outcomes for this class, what you will be able to do when you complete this class is describe the historical development of graphic communication from its beginnings to the early 21st century. You'll be able to distinguish specific periods of graphic design by their stylistic characteristics, and you'll be able to compare and contrast graphic designers' use of styles, subject matter, and how it creates meaningful communication and value for their audience. So those are the outcomes. The required reading for this class is Graphic Design, A New History, which you can buy through the campus bookstore. You can buy it or rent it, various options there, or there are many other sources for books as well. The textbook for this class is on reserve in the Oceanside Campus Library. So just click that link and that gives you information. And you can just go to the library and read the textbook if you don't want to buy it. Here is some recommended reading for the class if you're interested in further information about graphic design. Here's information on grading. Your grade is based on various types of assignments. The primary one is a bibliography and design and context assignment. There are 12 of those, each worth 25 points. There are 4 exams, each worth 100 points, and a project that you'll work on all semester, which is worth 300 points. So the total semester value is 1,000 points. I post all assignments each Monday, and they are due on Sunday of that week. Here's the breakdown of the grade you will receive based on the points that you've earned. And you can see that each assignment is worth approximately a third of your grade. Some of the ways in which we'll study graphic design is by examining it within the context of its time. That's why I've created the Bibliography in Design and Context assignment. We'll learn more about that when the class starts. I will be having a great deal of regular effective contact with you through Canvas, email, and other methods. Here is our schedule for the semester, the topics that we'll be covering each week, and the assignment that you'll be working on. Have a look about the section on attendance. Online courses give you a lot of flexibility, but there are certain requirements for attendance even in an online class. Please let me know if you have any special needs that we can accommodate to help you succeed in this class. Have a look at the important dates for the semester. And also, if you'd like to print up a syllabus, there's a PDF there for you. And further on down is the course summary, which gives you a list of all the assignments and their due dates. So there's a look at the syllabus. If we go back to the menu, the modules page is where you will find your assignments. And again, they unlock each Monday. The discussions is where you will post your assignments. You may want to have a look at the project that you'll be working on throughout the semester. It's a little slow coming up here, I guess, but it's a museum exhibition project that you'll work on all semester long. And what you'll do is create an exhibition that you would see in a museum about some topic on graphic design. You'll have all semester to work on it, and you'll be working on it in phases to help keep you on task and on schedule. There we go. So you may want to have a look at that so you can get an idea of what you'll be working on. And again, I've divided it up into phases. You'll have 4 weeks to work on each phase. So starting the first week, you'll be working on the concept. That's due in the 4th week. The 8th week, another phase of the project is due. And again, the 12th week, another phase. And then finally, the last week of class is the final project. So you have lots of time to work on it. And we'll be going over it in more detail in the assignment modules. Be sure to have a look at the research tools page. It's very important that you understand how to do the kind of research you'll be doing in this class. You may want to attend one of the many workshops that the library offers. They have a number of in-person library tours. They also have some online workshops where you'll learn how to do research from home. And these again are online on these dates. Have a look at these research videos, which helps you understand the research process. These are links to the videos. And it's important, if you've not done this kind of research before, to understand the process and how it works. So there are a number of videos there. They're not very long, but they will be very helpful in helping you understand the process. Now, I've made a video that helps you use the various MiraCosta College library catalogs and databases. So have a look at that. It's very easy to do from home or from wherever you are. You can do a great deal of excellent research online through the MiraCosta Library. Also, have a look at these recommended databases. These are excellent sources for the kind of research you'll be doing in this class, all available online from wherever you are. Also, for your bibliography and design and context assignment, your bibliography must follow the Chicago Manual of Style format. And I've given you examples of various types of resources and how they are to be formatted. This is especially important if you're going on to a university in understanding how to do research and write a professional bibliography. So these are examples of the various types of resources you'll probably be using. You can also use eBib or EasyBib. That's a free resource, and Zotero. Those are all free resources to help you format your bibliography and maintain it for your assignments. I've also included some information about the Writing Center. You can access the Writing Center from online as well. There are a number of people there to help you with your writing. So there's the research tools page. Again, it's very important that you take some time and really look at this carefully and understand all of the resources available to you. You may also want to have a look at the resources page, which has a great deal of information and links to graphic design, links to various designers' websites, links to museums of many types, art museums as well as graphic design museums. I've also got some links for design schools if any of you are considering going on to those schools, links to libraries, research and writing, and even employment if you're looking to get a job in this field. So there's a brief overview to the class. I hope you take some time to really get to look at Canvas and the format. I'm really looking forward to this class. I love the history of graphic design. I'm a graphic designer myself and really enjoy teaching this class. So I'm really looking forward to the start of the class.